Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Jamun milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh, ripe jamuns, 1 cup of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener. For an extra aromatic touch, have a small pinch of cardamom powder ready. These simple items are the foundation for a wonderfully refreshing drink. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the jamuns. Begin by washing about 1 cup of jamuns thoroughly under cool, running water to ensure they are clean. Next, carefully remove the large seed from each fruit. This can be done by gently pressing and twisting. Once deseeded, chop the vibrant purple pulp into smaller, manageable pieces. This preparation ensures a perfectly smooth blend for your milkshake. With the jamuns prepared, it is time to blend everything together. Carefully transfer the chopped jamun pulp into your blender. Pour in the 1 cup of chilled milk and add the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, sprinkle in that small pinch of cardamom powder. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully creamy. Taste and adjust the sweetness if needed. Your delightful Jamun milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the freshly blended, vibrant purple drink into your favorite serving glasses. For an appealing presentation, you can garnish each glass with a few thin slices of fresh jamun or a sprig of fresh mint leaves. Serve this refreshing and healthy beverage immediately to experience its optimal taste and creamy texture. Cheers to a delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.